I just received this box from Elijah Parker with the Timelapse Plus. Just want to do unbox it quick and see what we got here. This is the instruction manual for it. Quick and simple little card. Wrapped around it is the time-lapse unit itself with a USB charging cable. The USB charging cable has a micro USB charger and a standard USB-A. First time taking it out of the bag, so this is what it looks like. Rubbery piece, infrared transmitter, ports for the controller, 1 and 2, dual USB, one for controller, one for charging. It has not been charged yet, so I have to charge that, and more to come later.